do you know if a video will go viral or not? Or how do you check the performance of your video? In this video, I'm going to be giving you video analysis. How do you analyze your video to know if it is doing well or not? All right. So the first thing you do is you download this YouTube Studio. You go to your Play Store and search for YouTube Studio. You download it. Once it is downloaded, you open to this place. Once you open to this place, now this is your channel. If this one is not your channel, what you do is just to click on this click on this place. Okay, if you click on this place, now the next thing you do is to switch. If this is not the channel you want to use, you switch. You click on this switch and then you select the channel you want to use. All right. So the first thing we do is, after selecting it, it opens to this place. This is the first page you will see. Now this particular page, okay, in the next video I will teach you about YouTube Studio. Okay, or let's just talk about it. In this first page now, let's go straight to the video first. Now, for instance, now let me give you an analysis of a video. Let me use, which video am I going to use? Okay, let me use this particular video. Okay, let me use this video that has 125 views. Now you click on that video. Once you click on that video, it opens to this place. Now the next thing you see, this video performance, you click on it the way it is. Okay, you click on video performance. You click on this video performance. Now the next thing you do is you check the views, how viewers find you. This place is very, very important in a video. This place is very, very important in a video. Now, what does it mean? The first one now said external. External means the people you share the link to outside the YouTube environment. Maybe you posted it on your status, you shared to your friends on WhatsApp or even on Facebook. Okay, anybody that watched this video through clicking a link outside the YouTube environment is this one, 72. Now the next one, and the most important one you'll be looking at for, is YouTube recommendation. All right, YouTube recommendation. For this particular video, YouTube recommendation is 16. YouTube recommendation is 16. So this YouTube recommendation, if you click on it now, it's open. It will show you that this 16 is gotten from 11 people from the up next. Like somebody is watching a video, then after that one finished, then your own pop up and started playing. If the person now watched that your own, it now count as up next. Then the next one is YouTube home. YouTube home is like when the person opened YouTube, they saw it in their FYP, like they saw it in the first page of their video, and then they click on it and decided to watch it. So 5 people did that. So the next one you will see is what? Your page, channel page. That is from maybe your subscribers or something like that. Next one is playlist. If somebody saw your playlist, maybe the person viewed it from playlist. Then another important one you should always look out for is your YouTube search. If this your YouTube search is growing, then your video is doing well. That means that when people search a particular title, maybe this video is how viewers find you. Okay, sorry. The name of this video, sorry, that's not the name of the video. The name of this video is how I became a millionaire. So if somebody search anything related to this your title, you understand, then your video pop up and they watch that your video, it now counts as what? YouTube search. So if your video is on YouTube search, that means that video is doing well. Whenever somebody search something, maybe somebody search how to become a millionaire, your video will now pop up. You understand? So you have to make the title of your video so catchy that once somebody search it, it is searchable. All right, you know that thing is searchable. Then the next thing is your click-through rate. Okay, this is the amount the money the amount the video has made, just 0.12 cents. Then you can look out for reach. Then in the reach is another place you can equally find how viewers find you. External has more percentage. Why? Because I shared this video very well to my people on WhatsApp. I shared this so much to so many people. So that's why external took the highest percentage. Suggested video. YouTube suggested this video to people. All right, that's the next one. So direct and the unknown. Then browser feature. Browser feature is the people that saw it on their YouTube general. You understand? Same playlist and the rest. Then notification. Notification are your subscribers You understand? After uploading a video, YouTube will notify, hey, this guy just posted a video. Now, if they watch it from there, it will not be counted for you as notification. All right. So the next thing you look out for is, you see, that external sites that watch it are WhatsApp. I hope you can see it. WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp.com. I told you that I shared this link very well to my WhatsApp friends. So the next one is what? The YouTube search term. The term that is bringing up this your YouTube. You understand? But this video has not gotten enough data, enough viewers for them to show me the term that people are searching that made my video to pop out for them. All right. Then another thing you will see is content that suggests your video. There are some content that do suggest people's video. Maybe somebody is watching a particular video and then your own pop up because of that thing that person was watching. You understand? Maybe somebody was watching how to become a millionaire, and maybe there's a particular video the person was watching. After watching that video, then your own now popped up. So that is what we call content suggesting your video. So the next thing is playlist that is featuring this video. I don't have enough data. What I mean by data is like enough viewers that will help them to segment all these things. All right. The next one is engagement. You go to engagement. This engagement here. Now let's check out the engagement. Now look at engagement. Let's click on this audience retention. This audience retention is very, very important. Now this thing shows that people were watching my video for the next 2 minutes. You see this thing. They started very well, but getting to the next 2 minutes, 3 minutes, up to 5 minutes of this video, like so many, like this video is doing well because so many people are watching it to the end. Are you seeing it? So many people are watching this. You see the trend. So many people are watching it to the end. If not, you would have seen it come down to maybe 2. You understand? And so people are watching it to the end. So this video is probably going to do well by God's grace. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to make your video do well. What are the necessary things you need to set up in a particular video to make it do well? So stick to this channel and I will upload such. All right. Then this one is the percentage of like and dislike. Sorry. Don't know why if I click this thing, it will drag it down. Percentage of like and dislike. This one down here. Oh, this one down here, you are seeing. Please look at down. You see percentage of like and dislike. So I have more likes than dislike. Okay, so the next thing is the audience. Where are these people that are watching your video coming from? Where are they coming from? You see, the most people that watch this video came from Nigeria. Why? Because they are my friends on WhatsApp. I shared it to them. So most of them are from Nigeria. All right. Then you come to this place, see that most of them are not even my subscribers. Most of them are not my subscribers. So if you check this down, the down one here, you see that most of them, the number of people that watch it are more of the people that are not my subscribers than those that are my subscribers. Look down, please. If I click on this thing to show you, it do bring it down. All right. So that is that. Then lastly is now the revenue. Revenue is now about the money. How much you earned from it. So that is it. Now, these are unique viewers. So this video gave me no subscriber. I did not get any subscriber from this video. That's why you saw this 0 subscriber. I did not get any subscriber from that video. All right. So that is your video analysis. So anytime you post any video at all, try to analyze it to see if this video is doing well, or by yourself check why is this video not doing well. Even self, how many people that have seen this video is what we call, that have seen the thumbnail, is what we call impression. Impression is the number of people that saw that thumbnail. So that is why it's good to do a catchy thumbnail. I did a video on how to create a thumbnail, so I'll be uploading it soon and I hope you watch it. So this is impression. Then the next one is impression click-through rate. Look at it. The next one here, impression click-through rate. That is the percentage of people that clicked on that thumbnail when they saw it. You understand? I don't know why this thing is doing like this now. So that's the second one now. So we'll move to the next one. The number of viewers you have. And you see that this my own is green and pointing up. That means more people are watching it, is really doing well. So you go to the next one, unique viewers. Unique viewers are like, do I call it? They are, I don't know how to really explain it. Anyways, so that is that. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. Bye-bye.